Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back in the kitchen and I'm cooking a keto recipe. This is a chicken Parmesan keto style. So join me in the kitchen as we cook keto. I'm using chicken breast, some pork rind crumbs, seasonings, an egg for egg wash, olive oil, tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, and some nutritional yeast flakes. I'm going to start this process with putting our breading together. This is a brand new pack. This is something new that I found at Walmart when I was doing keto before. I would have to grind up pork rinds. And this actually takes the place of the panko breadcrumbs that you would normally use to make a chicken Parmesan. I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese. I had to shake it up a little bit. So I have in the bowl a cup and a half of panko pork rind crumbs and a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I've mixed that together and I'm going to add my seasonings. Tony sachets, a little garlic, salt.
That stuff ain't no joke.
Onion powder, and smoked paprika. And I'm gonna set this aside. Now, I'm going to take my chicken. I've cleaned these chicken breasts and cut them. I've rinsed out my bowl and now I'm going to add my egg. I'm seasoning the chicken with the same seasoning mix that I put into the breadcrumbs or the panko crumbs. to turn my eye on a medium-high heat and add my olive oil. I turn my eye down to a medium low because I don't want my oil to get too hot and burn my chicken. Now I've cooked the chicken for about 7 minutes on each side to make sure that it is completely cooked. Once all the chicken is done, I'll take it out of the pan and drain the oil from the pan. Then I'll begin to make my sauce. The sauce is very simple. It's simply the tomato sauce with a little bit of equal to take the bite out of it, and a little Italian seasoning. Now I had tasted the chicken and it was a little saltier than I would have liked. So I did not add any salt to the sauce. I did put a couple of packs of Splenda, which took the bite out of the tomato, which is normally I would put sugar, but we're gonna do Splenda because this is a keto recipe. Stir it all in. And then when I put the chicken in and I let it simmer, the saltiness left the chicken and it was a very even seasoned dish. Now I'm adding a little bit of nutritional yeast flakes just to thicken the sauce just a little bit. Now that's the piece of chicken, that's my taste piece of chicken. So I'm gonna leave that there. So I think I'm gonna eat that. In looking at this sauce, I'm thinking I should have made some zucchini noodles because this sauce would have stuck to those noodles very nicely. It would stick to some pasta noodles as well. So either way you want to eat it, it's all good. I let the chicken simmer in the sauce for 3 to 4 minutes. And I will tell you that even though it was in the sauce for that long, the crunch was still there from the panko crust. It was delicious. Now it's time for the taste test. This has cooled off a little bit, and I want you to get a good taste of it, or watch me get a good taste of it. It's very tasty. Now, what I didn't realize is that the pork rinds had salt in them. So you don't have to season with salt, the garlic salt. You don't have to do anything with that. You can just use plain garlic powder, and that will be fine. But it took the tomato sauce. I did not add salt to that, so that helped with curtailing some of the saltiness from the pork rind. But that pork panko does have salt in it, so be aware of that. But it is delicious. So try it. Try that recipe out. Okay, y'all. So my chicken is done. And I have plated our food and we're ready to eat. We're simply having a salad and our chicken. And that is enough for us. So if you're practicing a keto lifestyle, this is a great dish for you. If you're not practicing a keto lifestyle, if you don't have to eat a keto thing and you're not wanting to do a keto thing, add just a little bit of noodles and you are good. So spaghetti noodles is fine right underneath there, and it's delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. I'd love to have you over here at Memaw's house. Y'all be blessed. Have a good day. Bye.